All right, last part of 11.4. Investment trust, the company whose assets are stocks and bonds. Mutual fund, an example of an investment trust. A portfolio, investments within a mutual fund. NAV stands for net asset value of the fund. And what this is the value of a share in the fund. So it's going to be in dollars when you get done. Here's how you calculate that. You take the total fund assets minus the total liabilities divided by the number of shares outstanding. Okay? So example 5. A mutual fund has $600 million worth of stock, $500 million worth of bonds, and $1 million in cash. The fund's total liabilities amount to $2 million. There are 25 million shares outstanding. You invest $15,000 in this fund. Calculate the NAV. So their total assets, they have 600 million, 5 million, and 1 million. So 606 million in assets. Their liabilities, 2, and then the number of outstanding shares, 25 million. These are all in millions, so I don't have to write anything out. I don't have to put these all in millions. If they're all in millions, the millions are going to cancel. So I have 604 divided by 25, which gives me, and again, this is in dollars, $24.16, okay? This is the net asset value of the fund. This is the value of a share in the fund, okay? You invest $15,000, so to find out how many shares you are buying, you take 15,000 divided by the cost of one share, and so I end up with, now look at that. This is a situation where you can't round, okay? We can't buy more than what we're doing. So I can't say that I bought 621 shares. This is not a rounding issue. It's how much can you afford, okay? So this person can afford to purchase 620 shares. They don't quite have enough to purchase another share. So it's going to be 620 shares that can be purchased for $15,000. Okay. Check your progress 5. A mutual fund has 750 million worth of stock, 750,000 in cash, and 1,500,000 in other assets. The fund's total liabilities amount to 1,500,000, and there are 20 million shares outstanding. Okay. You invest 10,000 in this fund. Calculate the NAV. I need my total assets. Total assets are 750 million. And then here's the sneaky part on this problem. Instead of giving it to you in millions, they told you 750,000. Well, 750,000 is 0.75 million. So I'm going to use 0.75 million. And then 1,500,000 is 1.5 million. So if I take my 750 million plus my 0.75 million plus my 1.5 million, I get 752.25 million. And then I can keep it all in millions. Their liabilities were 1,500,000, so 1.5 million. And then they had 20 million shares outstanding. And you could certainly have written all these numbers out. There is nothing wrong with that. Okay? So I've got that number in my calculator already. I'm gonna subtract the 1.5 million and then divide by the 20 million. And so again, this is in money, so $37.54. Or if we want to be exact, because this is exact share, we can say $37.5375. That's exactly how much it cost per share. Okay. And so I'm going to use this number because then I can calculate better how many shares I'm purchasing. Okay, so for this one, we spent $10,000. So I'm going to divide by the 37.5375. And I can purchase 266 shares. I don't have enough to purchase another one. So it's going to be 266 shares.